Welcome everyone. Today, inshallah, we will try to make a revision for the monthly test of tomorrow, inshallah. Okay? We already discussed some lesson in the classroom. If we have time, I'll say it again, okay? But I'll continue what we didn't study in the classroom, okay? Now, last thing we take, if I have x to the power 2 equal 49, okay, to find the value of x, I should take square root to both sides, okay? Square root of power 2 gives us x equal square root of 49. Actually, 49 is a perfect square, so it's 7. But don't forget positive or negative 7, because 7 is accepted and negative 7 is accepted too, okay? In the case of variable and we take square root, we should put positive or negative to the last answer, okay? So I have two answers here, 7 and negative 7. To answer for x, okay? But if we have x to the power 3 equal 64, I can directly take the cubic root to both sides. Okay, so cubic root of x equal x, and cubic root of 64 equals, actually 64 is perfect cube number, so it's 4. Okay, this is simply answer. By the way, if the number is negative, so the answer will be negative too. The answer, if the number is positive, the answer will be positive. If the answer is the number is negative, so the answer will be negative too. Okay? This is only in the cubic root, but in square root, we don't have square root to a negative number. So it's not allowed. It doesn't have any square root to a negative number. Can't be. Okay? Okay. Let's move to lesson 1.6, which talk about the properties of power, okay? Integer exponent. So first one, okay, use the properties of exponent to write an equivalent expression for each given number. Okay, as we know before, if I have same base, what should we do to the power in case of multiply? Yes, we add the power, so it's 6 to the power 4 plus 3, which is equal 6 to the power 7. Okay, and in case of division, like the last one, 4 to the power 10 divided by 4 to the power 4. In case of division and the same base, so put the base and subtract the power, so it's 10 minus 4 equal 4 to the power 6. Okay, we have another way, which power of the power, question number 2, which is this question, power of the power. So 3 to the power 6 all to the power negative 2. Actually, power of the power, we multiply the powers, so we'll multiply 6 by negative 2. 6 times negative 2, so it will be 3 to the power negative 12. Okay, this is the last answer. But if he asks me to write it in the positive power, I can write it like this: 1 over 3 to the power positive 12. So in case of negative power, if you want to write it in a positive power, just flip the number. Okay, flip the number. So if I have a number like this one, 7 to the power negative 2, I can write it as 1 over 7 to power of 2. Okay? Okay. So take care about it, because one of the question I can ask you, I give you the answer like this, okay? Your answer will be 3 to the power negative 12. But my answer in the exam will be like this one, so it's the same. You have to choose this one, okay? Okay, so take care, because I'll not include this in the choose, but I can include this answer, okay? Okay, let's move to another question. Okay. This is the same lesson number 17, the same as we discussed in last example. He want to write in positive power, so I can write 9 to the positive to the power negative 4 as 1 over 9 to the power 4. Yes? Okay. And also, if I want to write this number in a positive power, 1 over 3 to the power negative 5, I can write it as 3 to the power 5. Okay? Just flip the number. Okay? Okay. Okay. What about this question, which may include in the exam? If I give you a value of x and a value of y, which is equal x equal to y equal 5. Okay, calculate the following. Negative 4 x to the power negative 2, okay, plus 3 y to the power 0, okay, equals, okay, negative 4 x, instead of x we should put what? I can put 2 directly, so it's 2 to the power negative 2 plus 3, instead of y we should put what? 5 to the power 0, okay? By the way, any number to the power 0 equals 1. So 5 to the power 0 equal 1. Okay, any number to the power 0 equal 1. Okay, I can write it in another way, negative 4 over, as I told you before, I can write the negative power as positive if we flip the number. So it's 2 to the power 2, which is negative 4 over 4. Okay, plus 3 times 5 to the power 0 equal 1. So its time is 1, okay, which is equal 3. So negative 4 divided 4 equals negative 1. Yes, plus 3 equal different sign, sign of big and subtract. So sign of big here is 3, so it's positive, and subtract 3 minus 1 equal 2. So the last answer, the value of this expression is 2. Okay, take care about it, and take care about the negative power. We have to flip the number. Okay, okay, let's move to another example, which talk about estimate a number. Okay, okay, we take the power of 10, and we take also estimation how to estimate a power of 10. Before power of 10, we estimate first the number. Okay, so how to estimate a number? Okay, let's take the first number. He want to write this problem, this one. Okay, in year 2013, the population of California was about 38,332,521 people. Write the estimated population. So take care about estimated here means we have to round this number to the nearest biggest number, so to the nearest 3. So the number here is 3, 8, 3, 3, 2, 5, 2, 1. I need to round the number to the nearest, which is the nearest 10 million. Okay, 10 million. Actually, we will ask 8. 8 is a real number, so it can add to 3. So I can write it as 4. And the rest of the number are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I can't write it in the power of 10 because he asked me, he needed in the power of 10. So I can write 4 multiply 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 10 to the power 7. Okay, this is called the estimation way. The estimation way. Okay, what about if he give me a small number like this one? So it's 0.1234 yes, 5, 6 zeros, 5, 2, okay, or 5, 1. Okay, so we choose the nearest number to the non-zero digit. Non-zero digit and very near to decimal point, so it's 5. So let's estimate it or round it to the nearest 5 here. 1 can't add to 5 because it's a poor number, so it now can be written as 0 0.1234565. Yes. Now I won't write it as a number times 10 to the power, so I have to remove the point. How many places? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Put it here, so it will be 5. So it's equal 5 times 10 to the power 7. But this is a small number, so it's negative 7. So the decimal, very small number, is always with the power of negative, 10 to the power of negative, and the big number always 10 to the power of positive. So the number is less than 1, always it's 10 is to the power negative, and greater than 1, always it's 10, it's the power of 10 is greater, is always positive. Okay, so take care about it. This is the estimation. I'll give you example about it in the exam, one question like this. Okay.